The fixture comes with a mounting plate attached that you will need to remove to install batteries. Remove the screws and battery compartment cover. Insert batteries, making sure they are oriented with the plus and minus markings on the back of the battery compartment. Reattach the battery compartment cover and secure with the screws. Mount the mounting plate at the desired location. Position the security light above the mounting plate. Engage the security light into the grooves of the base until snug. To change batteries, slide the fixture up to remove from the mounting plate. The same process applies to SE1295. Mount the mounting plate at the desired location. Position the security light over the mounting plate at an angle. Engage the light into the grooves of the mounting base. Twist clockwise until the fixture is seated vertically. To change batteries, twist the light counterclockwise. To turn the light on or off, slide the switch on the back of the fixture. The fixture should be mounted 8 to 10 feet high for the fixed passive infrared sensor to sense motion up to 40 feet away. The lights can be wall or surface mounted.